Today, we're tackling a common issue. Your multifunction printer prints perfectly via USB, but it refuses to scan documents. You place the document on the glass, close the cover, but when you try to scan from your PC, the scanner isn't detected. No printer shows up in the list, or you get an error like "Scanner not found" or "No device detected." Don't worry, this is usually straightforward to fix, and in most cases, it's not a hardware problem with your printer. When you connect a multifunction printer via USB and let Windows install it automatically, Windows often only adds the basic printing driver. This is enough for printing, but it frequently installs an incomplete version of the scanner driver and skips the imaging or WIA TWAIN component. That's why printing works fine, but scanning fails. The PC simply doesn't see the scanner part of the device properly. You have to install the complete manufacturer driver package, which includes both print and scan support, plus any necessary scanning software. Go to your manufacturer's official website, for example epson.com, brother.com, support.hp.com, canon.com. Search for your exact printer model. Or search for your exact printer model in your search engine. Type your printer model, then driver. It's almost always the first result. Download the latest full driver package for your operating system. Look for names like Full Feature Software, Driver and Utilities Combo Package, or Printer Driver with Scanner. If you still have the original CD that came with the printer, you can use that too, though the website version is usually newer and better. Disconnect the USB cable first if it's plugged in. Run the installer as administrator. Right-click with the mouse, then choose Run as Administrator. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. When it asks, connect the USB cable. Restart your computer after installation completes. This step alone resolves the issue for the majority of users. After restarting, click the Windows Start icon or press the Windows key. Type Scan or Windows Fax and Scan. Your multifunction printer should now appear in the scanner list. Select it. Open the app. Place your document face down on the glass. Close the lid. Adjust settings if needed. Resolution, color, file type like PDF or JPEG. Hit Scan. The scanning operation will begin. Save the document on your PC. Additional quick checks if it still doesn't work. Restart everything. Turn off the printer. Unplug it from power for 2 minutes. Unplug the USB. Restart your PC. Then, reconnect and power on the printer. Check Device Manager. Expand Imaging Devices, or Printers. Look for your model or any yellow exclamation marks. If issues show, right-click and update driver, or uninstall and reinstall. Run Windows Troubleshooter. Select Start, Settings, Update and Security. Troubleshoot. Additional troubleshooters. then printer, or scanners in some versions. Run. Try a different USB port or cable. Rarely, a faulty cable or port affects scanning more than printing. Check for conflicts. If you have old printer software installed, uninstall it first, then reinstall the new driver. If you followed these steps and still have trouble, drop your printer model in the comments. I can point you to the precise download link or next steps. Thanks for watching.